Once seated, there are small but significant changes, including a new DAB radio. We have a new phone mount with USB power ports and an optional tablet mount. Looking forward, we have a new wiper arrangement covering 60% more area, while the driving experience is enhanced by a premium leather steering wheel and a new advanced joystick, which of course works seamlessly with our new L-Series front loader. These tractors inherit many other interior features from their larger cousin to improve the operator experience. These include premium quality automotive type trim, improved visibility, enhanced ergonomics, and even a full cool box storage. The next change the operator will notice is on the CVX drive models in particular, and this is where we have upgraded the transmission operation to include additional clever CVT operating features. Customer research has helped us to further refine the driving characteristics of the CVX drive, and this has resulted in improved forward and reverse shuttle and acceleration deceleration behavior. We've also enhanced the drive pedal sensitivity. We've got greater multi-controller sensitivity and position detection, and the addition of cruise control override pedal.